Nice! Jeez, are the G3 even trying to domesticate the local mites?
Good.
Holy shit, looks like the G3 ran into trouble. Maybe they'll sort this out themselves. It's nice to kill something guilt-free, you know? Holy shit, brutal!
Where'd you fucking go?
And it hurts like fuck! My trick hole's ready for you. Let's glob them. Is this the entrance to the mines? Jesus, they really fucked this place up. I didn't know it had gotten this bad. These guys just don't let up, do they? Oh shit, Griffins. Gotta be honest, you know, they're working for the G3, but still better than our friends from earlier.
Guess what? I'm going to be killed.
It's gotta be near the end, right? Hey, shut the fuck up! Oh great, these guys heal other G3. Alright, fine, they can send as many as they want, who cares?
Come and get me. I want to get hurt.
Wait, there we go. The G3 payroll must be fucking a million miles long. I mean, Jesus. Oh, whoa.
More time in
Okay, great. Whew. All right, now let's try that elevator. Okay, this should take us down into the mine. Going down, huh? Sorry, I almost made a crass joke, but I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it. We're better than that. No crass jokes from me, that's a promise. Not from me, anyways. You might warp in some bases, and Lord only knows, but, you know, from me over here as a gun character, sidekick, no crass jokes. 100% on the level with you, and no bad stuff. Fuck, it stopped? Alright, don't forget, we're looking for a blank warp ticket and some way to find out where Krabis is. Let's get to work. Don't fuck with us!
Captain's our paper plastic phone, please. You can't hide from us.
G3 wants some of my cricket art.
I want the bounty hunter's bones after this. Oh shit! Oh shit! 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 Shit!
Oh, right your booby hole.
Greasy tight animals ready.
If only they were all this week, you know?
Hey again. Yeah, I'm still here. They don't let me take any breaks. I've grown to really love sales, and I think if I were given my freedom, I would just say no. I want to sell things or services or whatever this thing is behind me. The proceeds from every purchase goes directly to the G3. Oh, come on! Don't you want to at least donate a few pesos to hello again? All the other Moplets hate the G3s so much. Right before they got here was not that much. I remember before.
Attention, mining operation 12C. It's me, Krabis. Speed things up! I'm fucking underwater here trying to keep things on schedule. And I figured maybe you forgot that if you piss me off, I will kill you. It's really easy to find more slaves. So just do your job and mine more Virgos. Krabis out.
Holy shit! Hey, he's got a Gatlian! We gotta rescue it! Okay, yeah, there's no way we're getting past that laser grid. There's gotta be some way to shut it off somewhere around here.
Mining Operation 12C. This is Krabis again. One of you weird moplet fucks just delivered me a batch of defective Virgos. Do you wanna know how I know they're defective? Because they're fucking dead! Looks like most of them got crushed in a cave-in. And I punished the moplets responsible, but it looks like they died in the cave-in too. Don't let it happen again. What's up, fuckers? It's me, Krabis again. Someone filled out the wrong shipping destination on an entire stack of Form 40 queues. You fucked up my whole day when you did that. Just come forward and tell me who's...
It's kind of more fun. You're
I wish I could promise you I won't kill you, but I'm definitely gonna kill you! Hey, it's Krabis again. Just bored this time. I've been staring at the paperwork all fucking day and my brain's melting. I fucking hate.
Corporate. The new hire's coming in today.
Excuse me?
I've got to go. We'll talk more later. Bye, Merle. I'm so sorry. I didn't see you there. I'm Helen. I just need to know, are you the new hire or the new boss?
As a matter of fact, I am the new boss. Absolutely.
Yeah, right. You're not, honey. That's funny, though. I like it when the new hires have a sense of humor. Let's get you all set up. Head on into the next room and find a place to work. Go on without me. I haven't left this chair in years, and I don't plan to start now.
Oh, thank God they're here.
Hey, you must be the new office clerk, right? Just sort through that paperwork for us. We're so swamped.
Sure. Yes, I will see what I can do. Oh, geez. Okay, this is more paperwork than I anticipated. All right, better get to work.
So, we still good for Hyper Feast later?
What time did you say again?
Zorg.
Oh yeah, Zorg totally works.
Hey, newbie. You know Hyper Feast? They create new life in front of you and you get to eat it alive? Shit's wild, man. Hyper Feast.
Hey, these are
Your
innocent
girlfriend.
slaves. Do you really want to kill them?
We're dating.
You know, I kind of don't mind this at all.
Oh my god, I'm going insane. I'm going fucking nuts.
What?
Yeah, God, I think my brain's breaking. I think doing this job is making my brain break completely.
Oh, yeah, me too. It's fun.
You don't mind your brain breaking? Well, you don't mind this fucking monotonous nightmare work?
No, it's nice. It's cool to just give into a broken brain. I can't do math anymore. And if I stay here another year, I think...
And done, finally.
I can't do math anymore. And if I stay here another year, I think I'll forget how to say three-syllable words.
Okay, that honestly doesn't sound so bad.
It's not bad. It's terrific. Fantastic. Amazing. 3 words I won't be able to say next year, so savor them now.
Oh, buddy, I will.
Ow, paper cut. Just kidding. It would have been you. You would have been the one to get the paper cut.
Hey, what time did we say for Hyper Feast again?
Don't you listen to anything? We said Zorg. Zorg.
Right. Damn. I just remembered I had something going on at Zorg.
All in a day's work. Glad we got that all done. There definitely is not going to be a third stack. The cold sting of irony. Is that ironic? I never really know.
Holy shit, I'm gonna blow my fucking brains out.
What?
Oh, I didn't see you there. Do you still sit here?
So funny. Yeah, this is still my spot.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
It does, yeah.
I think if I sit back down at my desk, my soul is just gonna leave my body.
Okay, well, I got work to do.
Yeah, I know, me too. I have to do all this fucking work. This is the whole fucking problem, man.
Look, just because we used to be married doesn't mean you can keep leaning on me to work through your issues. That was one night. We got married for one dumb night and had 16 kids. You need to leave me alone.
Oh, geez, yeah, no,
Oh, okay, we're done. No more paperwork. Did you hear me? I said no more paperwork. Not even a fourth stack. Okay, good.
God damn, you filled out those papers like a son of a bitch. Like a real bitch you are. Fuck you, you're promoted. You're free to go into Krabis' office. Why? Because fuck you. That's why I don't need a fucking reason. I'm boss McBossington. And I'll be in here jerking off or whatever. Fucking other stuff too. I don't give a shit.
Oh, geez, yeah, no, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bother you like that.
It's fine. Just please, let me get back to work.
I gotta be honest, I totally forgot we used to be married and had 16 kids.
Huh? So this must be Krabis' office. There's gotta be something here we can use.
Why the fuck does Garmantuous always stick me with the paperwork? Doesn't he know I have fucking drills for hands? For one thing, that means I should be drilling. And for another, it means I keep shredding all this important fucking paperwork. Minding Operation 12C, this is Krabis again. According to all the hot monitors we forcibly implanted in all you moblets, you're working at 8% less efficiency today than you were yesterday. Fuck you! Don't do that! Work harder!
We captured one of our captors, but,
We do not know what to do next.
Hey, listen, we're here to help. What's going on?
Don't get me in trouble.
No, it's okay. We're friends. We hate the G3 too.
Oh, wonderful. Thank God.
Listen, we're looking for a blank warp disk. Do you have any... Hey, listen, we're here to help. What's going on?
Don't get me in trouble.
No, it's okay. We're friends. We hate the G3 too.
Oh, wonderful. Thank God.
Listen, we're looking for a blank warp disk. Do you have any ideas?
Yes, our prince has a stash of them.
Really?
All you need to do is clear out the warp base the G3 plopped down in our Holy Land. Then you'll reclaim the sacred grounds and rescue Prince Chosen One.
And then he'll give us a blank disk?
Yes, we can help each other. Oh, what a fortuitous happenstance. Oh.
Is his name really Prince Chosen One?
Yes. He was named as such according to the prophecy. And then after that, was made into a prince.
So you trust your leaders to prophecies. Is he a good prince?
Well, the prophecy doesn't guarantee he's going to be good at his job. It just tells us who to pick. Look, I don't know. Look, now's not the time to criticize us. I'm just, distressed as it is. I'm just doing my job.
So, what's your plan?
We have started a resistance. Not only do the G3 enslave us, but they have desecrated our holiest of sites and absconded with our sweet prince. Prince Chosen One, that's him.
Oh, that's awful. So you kidnapped this G3 merc as a bargaining chip to get your prince back?
Oh, yeah, that's smart. No, we didn't think of that at all. But it's fine, we know where the prince is. They swapped him out with the rest of our sacred grounds when they warped in a new base.
So you want us to go clear it out and then warp the throne room back?
Oh, heavens! Would you really do all that for us? The base is just past this tunnel. Thank you.
All right, we are off! Wow, we're about to rescue a prince. I'm a little nervous. I hope he lives up to the hype. Hey, listen, when has a prince ever let anyone down? You know what I mean? Are you fucking... Did you think it was a good idea to go in here? What is wrong with you? Oh shit, this must be the place. Okay, let's clear it out. Got one.
It's gonna take 4 months to heal.
here. Okay, let's head back outside and use this to reverse the warp. Nice! Time to meet the prince! This is the chosen one? Okay.
And what the hell do you want?
Jeez, we just saved you? You know, maybe you could be a little grateful?
Saved me from what? I'm fine.
Look, we were told you had some sort of blank warp disk.
Huh? Yeah, sure. I've got a bunch.
Okay, now we just need to find out where Krabis is.
Prince Chosen One has returned!
All has been restored. Prince Chosen One, I am so sorry, but we're out of Klagorsh. Can I interest you in some Pluglorb?
I don't want Klagorb! I want Klagorsh! You said that you wouldn't run out of Klagorsh again. You promised! I don't even know why I stick around here. If I leave, you're all dig-dang blooped! Just try and find a chosen one better than me. I dare you!
Oh, no. Please. It is already written in the prophecies, set in stone for eons to come. You are the chosen.
I gave you your warp disk. Now get the fuck out of here!
There is no other. Do not dare us.
Exactly. Yet you're out of Klagorsh again. Tell me where that makes
Attention, mine Operation 12C. It's me, Krabis. Speed things up!
Alien! We gotta rescue it! Huh, so this must be Krabis' office. There's gotta be something here we can use. Wait, I feel like we missed something in there, you know?
Krabis, where are you? This is Garmantuous. I just checked the log and you're 3 days behind schedule with the latest shipment. But you know what? It's not that big of a fucking deal. These Fergles aren't gonna be worth shit now that we discovered humans. Might even have to shut this whole operation down just to get all hands on deck over on Earth. I'd give your territory to the Scrandle brothers and have them expand their facilities to find out more about these humans. Oh, have you tried one of these fuckers yet? Oh, God, the high? It's otherworldly. Can't believe a species like this really exists. Humans! Who'd have even thought? Anyway, don't fuck up again, even if it doesn't matter, or I'll smoke you myself.
would you look at that? He marked his coordinates on the calendar. Shit. Okay, we got everything we need. Let's get back to Ranchi's place and see if he, can help us encode them onto this machine.
Good. Can your dumb fuck guns do this?
God damn it, fucking burns! Hey, good thinking. We should run as fast as possible at all times and... Hey, Ranchi, we're back! Let's head inside.
Hey, you're back! Thank God. Thank fucking God. Did you bring my Fergles? I need it bad. I need my fix, kid. I need it bad. I need it real bad.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Man, hey, are you all right? Are you having a heart attack or is it Fergal withdrawals?
Does that make you happy? Oh, you love that, don't you? You love to see a master of industry all flummoxed like this, all low and yeah, maybe.
Maybe this is a bad time, but could we use your disk encoder real quick?
What? No, the encoder is off limits until I get my goddamn Fergal fix. Fergles, get him! Hurry.
Hey, tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and use the disk encoder while you're sort of stuck on the ground like that, doing whatever it is you're doing. So don't be mad at us.
Fuck.
All right, looks like it's working.
I'm in a bad spot.
All right, there we go. Time to warp in Krabis and then, kill him if we're able to. You ready?
I don't feel so good at all. Oh, it's so cold. I'm so hot. I'm fucking boiling. Did someone turn on the AC? Please, get me first.
Hey, I've got a crazy idea. What if we just swap out this mansion for Krabis' base?
Who the fuck are you?
Well, I'll be damned. We found Krabis officially. Hey, come down here, asshole! No! Whoa!
Hey, where you going to move the jazz off? How dark it is!
All right, it's time to fight the boss. You got this.
I'm gonna see you. day in and day out, but I'm more used to fucking up some intruders like you.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Holy shit, that was gnarly!
You can't beat me. I got more left in me. Just one little burger to help me get my energy back up.
How are we doing? You know, we're pretty new to this, so for beating you, you should be really embarrassed.
Fuck, how dare you? Woo! God, man. Be cool. Woo!
Oh boy, real combat.
I'm not gonna let you fucking kill me. All right, that hit the spot. Virgo power, baby.
So you're an officer in the galaxy's biggest crime syndicate and they have you just doing tedious paperwork? Look, man, just let us kill you. We'd be doing you a favor.
Here comes Krabis. It's been a while since I got a chance to get my... You don't give me enough of this shit. You're finished, asshole! Special delivery boy! I'm coming right for you! You're finished, asshole! What are you, stupid? You shoot at me, I'm gonna shoot at you back, jack off! What would you think? What would you do? I don't feel pain, but I did feel that bullet, and it did feel good. Eat shit, you jack off! That's the best you got? My paperwork is harder than you. Let me in there. Oh God, this feels amazing. You have no idea. Oh God, I'm in heaven right now. Oh, you should see this. Oh, ripping through his drill tendons like they're butter. Oh fuck. Oh, I was really getting my glumps off there, wasn't I? Sorry about that. Ooh.
Hey, bud, the name's Gus. Feel good to meet you. Look at you, man. Pretty slick taking out Krabis like that, rescuing me from indentured servitude, etc., etc. I love that kind of stuff. You know what? I love that. That's the kind of stuff I love, man. Now, you mind if I tag along with you for a bit?
Of course. That's what I was hoping you'd say. We can use your help. But I should be clear that we are trying to take down the whole G3 cartel, and we might die.
Music to my ears. You think I don't want to take down the cartel? Buddy, that's all I want to do. That's all I dream about.
Amazing. God, I'm so glad to find another Gatlian alive and well. I love you. By the way, I had a cousin who had those tiny hands. He died in the zombie apocalypse on Gatlas, but, you know, look, I'm sure you don't want to hear about that. We had to live through it. I mean, you know, who wants to talk about that?
Here's what I do. I shoot discs, right? They stick onto certain walls, and you can climb with them. Let me show off my disc launching trick on that ledge. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now climb up there. Aren't you glad you met me?
Shit, time to fight.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you're not supposed to be down here. Hey, get away from me.
No. I just said use the vacuum. Use the damn vacuum.
Whoa, what the?
Here it comes. Pretty chill, right? Use that whenever you want. It's cool. And I see another wall you can climb. You see that, right?
saying? I actually decided to patch things up and rejoin the G3. Do you mind if I kill you real quick?
Let's see how much you talk when you're dead. Finally, enough of that guy. They kicked him out of the G3 because he was so damn annoying. He's lonely, he's bitter, and get a life. Some people need a life, and he needed a life, man. Freedom, baby! I already felt free when you saved me from Krabis, but now that you're out of the poo, I really feel free.
You can hide, but you can't run! You good, Velcro? That's for Gatless!
I'm ready for whatever's clever.
Cancel my next plan.
You having a good time, partner? I am. Let's head home and turn in this bounty.
Bullshit.
I'll beat your fucking ass!
What kind of drivers are you? Just figure it out.
Look who's back. You think I'm supposed to be impressed that you killed a G3 officer? Well, okay, fine. I am. I think it's pretty insane you didn't die. That's all you're getting out of me. Now, turn that bounty in.
Cool, you got yourself another talking gun? And this one's green? Wow, who cares? No one.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Be rude. My name is Gus, not that it matters to you.
There we go. Look at you. You're getting the hang of this bounty hunter thing already.
How'd the mission go?
They killed a G3. Looks like I taught them well.
Wow, really? Whoa, okay. Well, I'm impressed. Yeah, I was always hoping you'd find your calling. I didn't think it would be bounty hunting. But then again, I don't know what I thought it would be. Maybe hairstyling, and not good at it.
And what's wrong with bounty hunting?
Ugh. Can you please tell this dried up sack of shit to go home? I don't want to share a couch with him.
Tough titties, Leslie. You're kidding me, had a deal.
It's Lizzie! And that's not my kid. Jesus, we're siblings.
Sorry, I don't know how your species works yet. Sibling, fine, got it. Doesn't change a thing. I live here now.
Come on, can't he find his own place to stay?
Hey, that's not right. I'm barely taking up any space. You know we had a deal fair and square.
Oh, come on! We barely know this guy. You're really gonna side with him over your own sister?
You should be proud. You raised your child to have proper respect for a good, fair business deal.
Oh, now I know you're doing this on purpose. I'm the sister, not the mom. But you knew that, didn't you?
Sorry, my bad. You come waltzing back in here stinking like dirty Flimborg. Of course I'm gonna get distracted. You shouldn't be hanging out with that Flimborg boy, you know? Can't trust that species.
Tweeg's harmless and nice. You're being spacist. And he's not my boyfriend. Yet.
Trust me, Flimborgs are bad news.
Come on, have my back here. Whoa, really? You don't have to side with this guy just because he gave you some cool toys. Plus, I feel like he's just using you.
Look, I appreciate the loyalty, kid, but I am actually a bit of a spacist. I'm trying to work on it.
God, I just don't think I can take much more of this guy.
What, you think this is easy for me? If I'm pissing you off, at least you can leave. But my legs don't work. I'm stuck listening to your boy trouble every time I'm trying to watch my stories.
I can't even get peace and quiet in my own home because there's an alien cripple jerking off on my couch 24/7.
Hey, come on. That's a high estimate.
Ew, I was kidding.
Yeah, me too. I was kidding. We all know I was kidding.
Aren't you gonna say anything? Whose side are you on anyway?
Hey, all right. I can see I'm being a little bit of a bother. I mean, look, I'll try to keep it down when I'm watching my stories. Just don't put me back on the streets. I really do want to help you.
Fine, he can stay. But only until he finds somewhere else to go.
I'm grateful. I mean it. But I've already missed half my program, so can everyone just shut the hell up?
Ugh.
All right, that's enough excitement for one day. You got more bounties to get to, kid. And you might want to check out the pawn shop to see what you can spend your new payout on. Eh?
Oof, that was tense. It's times like these I'm almost relieved I don't have any family left alive. But not really. I miss them a lot.
Hey, just so you know, you can use the Bounty 5000 to revisit any planet you've been before. There's portal doors all over. You can just use them whenever and grind for money, look for loot you missed, whatever. Up to you. Just thought I'd tell you.
All right, you're all set.
I'm getting dizzy.
Zip.
This house? It can't be here. Gotta give you a ticket. I hate to do it. I hate to give you a ticket. But it's my whole job. It's the one thing I do. Look, you can leave your house here if you really want to. But you just gotta get more tickets.